Royal Enfield is set to unveil its new Bear 650 Scrambler on November 5, 2024, expanding its popular 650cc lineup to attract adventure and off-road enthusiasts. The Bear 650 shares its frame structure with the Interceptor 650, featuring a similar tubular steel chassis and fuel tank. However, it introduces several modifications designed for Scrambler performance, including a new longer travel suspension system that enhances its off-road capabilities. Upgrading from the Interceptor's telescopic forks, the Bear 650 is equipped with USD forks, providing improved handling on uneven surfaces. This Scrambler comes fitted with block-pattern dual-purpose tires, 19-inch at the front and 17-inch at the rear, optimizing its performance for both on-road and off-road adventures. Notable design elements include a circular LED headlamp, retro-style round mirrors, a braced handlebar, and an upswept exhaust that increases ground clearance. The distinctive teardrop-shaped fuel tank, all-LED lighting, and oval race-style number boards further enhance its unique look, while a perforated heat shield on the exhaust pays homage to a 1960s-inspired aesthetic. A significant technological upgrade is the inclusion of a circular TFT display. This screen incorporates app-based features, including full map navigation, catering to riders who desire both adventure and connectivity. Powering the Bear 650 is Royal Enfield's proven 648cc twin-cylinder engine, which delivers 47 PS and 52.3 Nm of torque, paired with a 6-speed gearbox. Although this engine is shared with other 650 models like the Interceptor and the Continental GT, the Bear 650's lighter frame and stripped-down design provide a favorable power-to-weight ratio, improving performance across various terrains. As it prepares for its launch, the Bear 650 promises to deliver a thrilling riding experience that bridges the gap between urban style and rugged versatility, appealing to a wide range of riders looking for both functionality and flair.